If you knew how the brain works, you would design an application which supports people at their least gifted quality, and you would develop an application through which employees can contribute their most gifted talent. With this insight, See It All has developed a powerful process-based asset management platform. This platform provides a method for gaining new insights through data monitoring and visualizing. The need for maintenance contribution of the expertise and power of the employees can be placed on each other like transparent layers. The result will be higher efficiency and accuracy. See It All transforms a company into a team, which will be in charge from the smallest technical detail to the bigger picture. With See It All, you will experience visible artificial intuition.